Hi there, folks. It's Luke
and Samantha Kuhn
at Kuhn Truck and RV. We're out here in Washington, D.C. in this Pleasure-Way Lexor-TS, coming soon at truckandrv.com.
We're ready to explore the capital.
Woo!
To the bone, just trying to make something out of nothing, you know. He never wanted silver, gold, or the finer things. Just a wife and kids, a home, and the American dream. Whoa, how you gonna step in line? American dream. I wanna see the world from the edge of my seat, through a big windshield or a plane, not a TV screen. Don't you need the road to tell you you really are? Find out whether or not a man could ever change his stars. Whoa, how you gonna step in line? Whoa, baby, this is our time to rewrite our American dream. Step in line.